कल्पतरुस्य कृपासिन्धुभैर्वच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो वदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरकिसे नमः। जय रूपा सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ जय गोसाई करी चरण बंधन जाओते विघ्नना अभीष्ट पुराण माँ भाव स्वरूपतम कृष्ण प्रिया भूरियसी तम भक्ति प्रदेवी राधिके तां नमाम्यहं। राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निजपदाब्जौ दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम्। वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादर्मवीक्ष्णस जसाङ्गरे कतोजितं पुनाते भुवनत्रयं। जय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय। गुरु परंपरा की जय। अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। सपार्षद गौरणी की जय। गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा संजीव की जय। भक्त विघ्न शंकर विष्णुदेव की जय। भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय। सर्व विष्णुराजा गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय। गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। ब्रजमंडल धाम की जय। ब्रजवासी भक्तवृंद की जय। ब्रजश्री मधुश्री गणेश्वरी श्रीमती धरणी की जय। ब्रजदेवीगण की जय। जय केशव व्रत की जय। केशव व्रत भक्तवृंद की जय। समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। गौर प्रमानंदे। Now, all are putting under guidance of Guru Partner Vaishnava, Vaishnava Mass, Keshav Vrata, that is following, but not reality, not realization. Only like this so-called, so-called, are not false, but doubtful, not clean, following, hearing, but time pass like, not serious. One day, definitely, mercy coming and then bliss coming and possible. Therefore, Krishna now teaching everybody how following this Bhakti. Particular, who is all time following Keshav Vrata. Keshav Vrata meaning Keshav is our heart and soul and life. Keshav is our everything. And these things, no understanding. Therefore telling Krishna, Ajo Pishan, Abhyatma, Bhutanam, Ishwar Pishan. He is Nitya, Shashwata, Sanatana, but all are no understanding. But Krishna teaching coming nearby is their near associates, your followers. They are with the relationship, then understanding Krishna is my everything. Who is Krishna? He is Keshav, he is Madhav, he is Jadav, he is many Swarupitis, he is present. But telling first is Keshav, Keshavadrita, Vinasarita, Keshavadrita, Purmasarita. Keshav is all in all, Almighty Lord and God. Everything supreme authority. So now this question is coming. He is properly not teaching, no making qualified, then everything is there useless. Therefore Krishna teaching, Kesava is teaching, how teaching? Now we are hearing many things. Now today Krishna is telling, oh Brajvasis, every day eating very nice offering, and Allah is making very nice program. But necessarily respecting Ekadashi. Then Nanda Baba, many Brahmins, Pradyumna Rishi, Puriyasi, Jastamata, all many Rishi Maharishi. Every day Nanda Baba is very big program and feast. Very Sankirtan Mahotsav. What telling? Sudhita Asita Rasaya, this Brahmachitgana Swarupini, Nam Gokula Mahotsav, Krishna Purna Bhusena Muna. Nam Gokula Mahotsav. Everybody comes and Krishna Nam is chanting. And they are Krishna's bodies, they have life and everything. So now Krishna telling, oh, definitely one day fasting and Ekadashi Devi respecting. Ekadashi Devi then our any weakness and shortage, anything Krishna that one fulfilling and completing. Otherwise, one will not understand what is my guilty, what is my faults. I am over 10 keys, 5 Buddhism, feeling is 10, but looking at 10, no water. Where going? Where is whole? How going on? Where going? Or every day, taking Mam Sadam, chanting Harinam, respecting Vaishnavas, Haridham respecting, going Parikrama, and Bhakti's names is following, but nothing in awareness, only whole. Hello, hello, our Acharya telling hello. Why? Everything hello? Why going? But not understanding. Everything lost, missed. Nothing. Now long time. Somebody 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, following your bhakti singing, but after that nothing. No realization, no affection, God one, no nothing understanding. What can happen? Then Krishna is saying, only Ekadashi Devi has this capacity and quality, and she is our 11 senses. What do you mistake? Mind is king of this everybody's. That mind is now much better. After the senses are our near, this is instrument of service of instrument. Very nice instrument. But I am serving God, I am God families, but sometimes like Vishwarup, Indra making second Guru, third Guru. First Guru Brihaspati, then he denied Brihaspati, disobeyed, neglect and hate Guru, then Guru understanding, Guru disappears. Now big problem. When he gone, Brihaspati's brother Trashtaris is near. You will be our Guru and priest? Said no. This simple word can be done. Very simple thing. When Guru and Acharya, they giving Diksha and mantra, that all disciples, all sins is coming there near. Not easy thing, not to digest. And then I said, I am not never doing like this. Then he is gone, Trashtaris' son near. Vishwarup near. Oh, Vishwarup, oh, you will be our priest and Guru Acharya, doing our service yajna. Then he is, okay, desire, not akansi, post is come, position is come, champion. I will be great Guru, demigod's Guru, Acharya, scholar, famous, but not understanding disciples is coming Guru's near and making Guru's slave and servant. Yeah, eating and digesting Guru. Guru's everything taking, and what doing, no guarantee. Mostly college of Guru and college of disciple. But Vishwar Prabhu starting Yajna, Sometime doing yajna for demigods, and his uncle and grandfather, mother, father, demon. Mother is demon families. Father is demigod families. Now father's side is giving also, and some giving silence. Mother's side. Look, Indra now disappeared. Addressing Guru, addressing priest, accepting everything. But Indra gone, hey, what are you doing? No need Vajra. Thunderbolt, hand with this, cutting in it, killing it. So look, disabled, this is called disabled. Huh? Killing Guru. How is this disabled? Disabled, Guru doing what? Checking Guru, what are you doing? And killing. Now this Brahma Hetta Pap, Guru Hetta Pap. Since is come, and Indra what are doing? Moving and hiding inside his lotus, tail inside. In Sarva, Mansarva inside. Why since is on top of moving. Coming out and catching and killing and smashing out. Indra afraid. Now discouraging. So Krishna says, all are like his independent. What doing, all are not doing. Anybody telling, then is very angry. Why are you telling me? Who are you? Who give you this permission? Huh? About how is this place more than this Uttara and Surpanaka? Big face, red face, and nails is coming out, teeth is coming out, attacking. Krishna knows everything. Mostly Nitya Siddha has no problem, but Sadhana Siddha has a big problem. Like he had a senior or devotees, they know everything, they understand it. But new one, every time big fire. So now Krishna, the Sadhana Siddha, how they understanding on guilties and on faults, then necessarily giving responsibility to somebody. They check him and tell him, it's not good. What is right, how can you follow and when you prepare everything, then good result coming. Watering one tree, but trees, water not going down. All water is going out. People is drinking water, they are bathing water. But you don't know this is water, liquid, everything is not water. This is petrol, diesel, oil, drain, any sewer. Everything is not water. No understanding. Then everyone is breathing, then they go and jumping in drain. Take the water, pig is jumping, I am also jumping. Jiva no understanding. Therefore, Krishna is saying, only Ekadasi Devi taking responsibility for everybody. This Ekadasi Devi not Krishna telling my soul of Shakti. But Krishna teaching, you are following Ekadasi Devi taking your responsibility and every day care you, any faults, guilties, everything purifying and telling in you, you are not going that way, protecting you, all time very big help coming. Krishna explaining very nicely. Now, Nanda Baba very happy. Okay, Krishna, you are following Ekadasi. Then first time, Ekadasi following, and they Ekadasi they not staying in house and room. Otherwise, sleeping, some cooking, smell coming, all are left in this house, Nandagram, Varsana, all came Ambikapur. Nearby Saraswati Kunda. All day, Kirtan, Yajna, everything gone. Night time, all program is running. But Nanda Baba sitting, after a little resting, and one snake is came. And this snake is now not looking anything else, swelling. Nanda Baba, completely. Legs 2 feet 2, going inside until Nanda Baba see what happened. Where from come the snake? And you know snake is poison. Teeth is how strong. They have his name, body has, all it poison is making long and painful and all eating and digesting. The elephant eating, everything they did in whole the Nanda Baba water. Now Nanda was asking Krishna, Krishna, Baldev, Kanai, but other side what happened? All Brajavasi came. Fire, Yogya has fire, running, then taking Yogya over, beating. But he has no problem, he's swearing and going. Then all are calling Krishna. Krishna now came. Krishna looking this snake is already on one neck come. He is all sweating. Krishna touching with his feet. This snake bodyguard is become Vidyadhar Gandharva. Now he is saying, I am very nice, my face and body young. I am Rishi Moses, looking at all time, floating and torturing. Eating, no sleeping, no skeleton. This is bhajan. No enjoy, no hope. All time is suffering, austerity. Sadhu that one day is August is also inside. Nature is very bad. One day we did sit inside head after more is very nice room, young and healthy, golden color and face, everything attractive. Now Augustus is not telling anything but is guards, no need, other person is nearby, they are very disturbed. That is snake only. Now Krishna's mercy, Krishna's touching him and telling, oh, I am Rishi Moses is insulting, but by Rishi Moses mercy, I am getting your hit the touch and dust, your mercy. Now we ask him, after I am never doing anything wrong, please forgive me, excuse me, and giving me some mercy and strength. After I doing Parikrama, he is gone. Now the Brajavasi are telling, look, Krishna, you telling Ekadasi following one. Now what happened? This is Ekadasi's food. Coming snake and swelling and following after this danger, all things come. So why following the Ekadasi? Then Krishna said, our million life has many things of attachment. Yeah, many other like mentality, conception, many things, but not all are serious. How will be serious? Any fear coming, problems coming, then will be serious. Other careless, fearless. Like one day I am telling this class is like, Gurudev coming when Gurudev give me place, then very happy, give me Rasgulla, I will be very happy. And one day he will push slap, and kick him, then say, I am never doing this course, I am taking another one. And front of everybody, one big class in Govardhan. Kartik Parikrama. What say? Hey, this class inside doing announcement. Hey, nobody going is near. No his class here. No giving any money is. With this no relationship. Everything announced giving. And everything giving this person, meeting with them, his bogus, cheater, his ignorance. Then evening time, all are people looking, Gurudev is talking with him, and his master saying, what happened this? There's no class, you are telling like this. Then somebody asked him, why are you telling like this? Say, you will be finished at this work. He has no time. And now nobody going, crying and chanting, yes time, coming my near also. Now he forget me, forget everything, that for me is chastisement and punishment. Then change coming. So any proto, any topo, any jopo, any program after this punishment and chastisement comes, good. Result, good. And happiness comes, and I'm glad, I am very satisfied that I am going my enjoy recreation for distance to everything. Therefore, slap, torture, hate, beating, Any punishment coming, then I'm crying and weeping and remembering. Now, everybody is following, but Krishna will not listen. Now snake is caught, catching, soiling, and all are shouting, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Now no more other things. No yajna, no tapa, no dan, no charity, no other. To any brata, any japa, no remembering God, no remembering Guru. Big program. Gurudev wanted to tell hey, Navati Purikam. Huge people, 50,000, 20,000 people. Say, look, all are busy. All have no time chanting for Gayatri and mantra. Also nobody coming my near. Nobody asking me, Gurudev, you taking some water? Anybody has no time? All are busy. So any program, anything I am following, after I am going distance to God and holy name, and I forget everything, I am busy, then what is meaning? What is the result? So when snake is calm, everybody is shouting and crying and praying, Krishna, 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 like Damana. Then only calling Krishna. Cows are everywhere. Other cows are busy, going distance to Krishna. Shakas are ready and going distance to Krishna. Now all are inside is fire. So the danger moments is calm, this is good fruit, good result. Otherwise, healthy, wealthy, and all that is now health is doing business. Wealth is doing business. Oh, today I have 1 Bitcoin. Tomorrow will be 2 and 3. After I have more. But I am lost my Harinam. I am not thinking how much I count, chanting. This is Bitcoin not protecting me, not going with me. Harinam I am chanting. Harinam is coming with me and helping with me. But I am all time thinking, sorting Bitcoin, share market, gambling, or how much comedy, hotel, then doing morning yoga, and after is doing a lot of exercise. How long your health is running? Swimming pool going, after horse race, running, digesting the food, gas passing, and coming and digesting ice cream and pizza, pasta. Very nice, healthy. Therefore, every day horse race, going parikrama. But really, parikrama time, remembering God. Remember going and breaking this toe, and blood is going. Oh Krishna, then it's good. Or is somebody come and beating you with a stick without any permission. One time, Allah is once helping me. So then Tirupati to go and save them. Kuch brahmacharis with us. One Pagalis came, taking a stick, and I beating, not beating other. One Mridanga there, he's beating his Mridanga and breaking his Mridanga. Brahmachari, young all, strong blood, what doing? This stick which is beating him and breaking his head. Bleeding, he's pagal already. But I am coming before already. Police came, other came, he's pagal. One Mridanga breaking and there is breaking his head. After what happened this is that forever for life, for his body separate and his head separate. I am telling them the problem. But I can tell. Now I'm suffering. One deputy, one person is suffering come forever life. Therefore, thinking about this, I am doing anything, but smartagos gatam Vishnu. Vismartagos najatuchi. Sarve vidhi nishadaya sureteva kinkara. I am any moment forget God. I am going distance to God, distance to Guru Padma Vaishnavas. This is not bhakti. Anything, anywhere present you, sleeping, ki bhujane, kisharane, kiba jagarane, Ahanisha, Jivta Krishna, Bala Bhagavani. Don't forget, but I am not practicing. Forget then remembering next, but no practicing. Other things remembering very happy. Chanting Harinam 16 hours, anything, bus, gone. I am now very, too much. Population bound. No. Then Krishna saying, look, now everybody remembering me. No, God we are praying. Anyhow, 70 power. This Ekadasi is real mercy. Next is Ekadashi day, following Ekadashi, bank of Jamuna. Early morning, before Brahma Muhurta, Nanda Bhagavan were bathing. Jamuna, that is a small time paran for quickly going bathing and worshipping Brahman for arranging some food stuff, prasadam, and all are giving dakshina, and after taking brata, Nanda Bhagavan. But there is Nanda Bhagavan inside water, no coming out. All are looking, where gone, Jamuna big flow, not like this Jamuna dam, big Jamuna. Oh, watching, no finding. After they are crying, Jashdamata crying, everyone came along, miss Nandova, lost Nandova, where Nandova. Another side, Varuna's to night time, the looking is coming to water, they catch in Nandova, taking in Varuna. And they are giving Nandava's for seat and room, nice. Opulence, very nice, signing everything, and food are bringing, water bringing, worshipping Varun. Also Varun, no, just now quickly decorating all Varun local, all road, everything, and many priests already arranging. And then Krishna hearing, oh, big problem, Baba no hai. Where is Baba? So all are waiting, but the tools were taken out to protecting everyone. I am going now, watching and bringing back Baba. He is gone inside water and complete directly is gone for Varun waiting. Big music, big day, all program, flower offering, with the mantra which is doing Abhishek, Krishna, and giving big singasam, and doing Arati, Archa, Nandava, doing everything. Nandava say, my son, they are worshipping, they are demigods, how is this signing, and giving many gifts. Then Krishna says, why is my Baba? Why you taking my Baba here? Say, not taking Baba, then never coming you. Never giving darshan. Varun Loka never will go holy place and holy down. All are suffering is here with an opulence. Asarja, Sikil Preme, 9 more people. Any other opulence, they are bhakti not possible. No God love. Forget everybody. Oh, no need sword. Everything I have. Why asking for God? But Varun Dev, Ratnakar, he is try to worshiping Krishna, inviting Krishna, Krishna coming, giving their grace and mercy everybody. Therefore Krishna, here they are worshipping. After giving many great representation, after telling, oh, please eat bath water, this drinking, the drinking, the spraying, everywhere. Krishna looking, Nandava watching, oh my son is worshipping. Then Nandava came, Nandava and Krishna came. Nandava was surprised. After Nandava is Krishna coming back, they give him lot of presentation. Nice and silken cloth, nice as ornaments. Nandava came or asking, where are you? Then Nandava explaining all the verses near. Oh, today I am looking Krishna local. How you are my Krishna? All are how is worshipping. How much giving ornaments? Look. Diamond, jewelry, many ornaments. And how they worship me, all he is explaining. Then say, Baba, Ekadashi Devi pleased with you and give you a lot of gift. Nandava said, no. They are catching me, you are remembering God and praying. I am also remembering God and praying. Any problems not come, then people पुरे समय में प्रभुता पाए मत करेंगे. Any position and post is come. Any goodness and truth is come this mundane, then people forget everything. Therefore, this big this punishment is necessary. Meaning, Ekadashi Devi making one problems create, then all are because of your mercy, remembering God. Now what happened? All Sakadar asking, Krishna, you swing Nandava, your Brahma Loka, Vaikuntha Loka, Golok, but not swing us. She say, yes, you like, I am swinging you. Then Sakadar say, yes, you not taking us there, but one day showing us. Say yes, yes, yes. Then Krishna came, Giraj Govardhan near, say Giraj Govardhan has power. And in one person, Giraj showing everybody's. He has power. Now came. Then what happened? This is okay. You closing eyes. Now closing eyes. Now you open eyes. Looking. What? Big Singhasan. Krishna is sitting. Like sun arising. Big sunshine. Golden color Krishna. Crown is golden. Gold. All jewelry. And many. Our Sevaks are. Sunanda Nanda. All is Vijakshan, Kolula. And everybody. Chamar is running fan. Somebody worshipping, offering, many demigods coming, Brahma coming, not one Brahma, thousand Brahma, not 4 head, 8 head, 10 head, 20 head, like big Brahma, or I offering pranam, Sakadar, looking. This is our Krishna, this is Vaikuntha, Brahmaloka, no need. All running. Krishna say, hey, waiting, I am also coming. No. No waiting for you. He says, hey, it is sitting. I am coming. You have desire for watching the Brahmaloka. I am showing. Say, no more relation with you. You are cheater. You are cheating us. You love for us. And Krishna, what happened? You not making sweet for us. When you sitting, or worshiping you, all are useless. All are or lower class or cerebral servant. You sitting nice seats, or worshipping, nice food stuff providing, nice drinks, more drinks, this and that giving, ornaments, all are nothing. Oh, you say, it is sitting, I am coming, I am giving everything. You give nice seat, everything giving. No. He says, hey, go to the Chutar taking. Sitting little, Chutar taking, and it's sitting little, no. Or running. Krishna come, Krishna is okay. Now I am giving everybody like nice seats and plates. Then they are, this Chutar Teka meaning, all are giving nice seats, nice carving, nice, they are all throwing in. No need. These things have no softness, sweetness, making hard and rock, and no, this gold is very wet, no like flower. Then, Kuberekusan they are writing, Asya the Sitil Preme Nahi more. In here, Asya the opulence, there is love is finished, relation is finished. Look, Western country, now in India also, rich is beautiful. Father, mother, separate. Brother, mother, no relation. Where is father, where mother, where brother, where sister, no family. Before, 3 generations, 4 generations, one family. Big group. How sweet. Now all separate. So Krishna, here Sukasa is telling, no need Krishna, this opulence. No need Brahmaloka. So Krishna, then everybody with this continue his teaching. Mahaprabhu's time also Mahaprabhu is Ekadashi is respecting and holding. Because then she is not giving treatment. Our 11 senses, how will be service for God, service for this expert. Not these senses. Soul has also all senses. Soul has own soul. Gunamay Sharir. The Sadhak Siddha has Gunamay Sharir. But this one, how that left ritual senses with the soul sitting, how can coming? Like Naradasi, for God is giving us the darshan. After say, doing Nam Kirtan and preaching everywhere, after I am in those rooms. Durga Bar, Prahlad Bar, everybody's soul. So this soul body, how can manifest? So Ekadashi Devi has this all power. These 11 senses, first is sees, his instrument is offering for, engaging for God service. And after this Sukriti, Subhakarma, all auspicious things coming, and what are auspicious? Nitya Siddhas near to hearing this or God glories. Two types of Harikatha, yeah, Lilakatha. What two types? One person, theory no, yes, practice, theory yes, is distributing. And one person is Bhakta Bhagavat. One Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. Grantha Bhagavat, books of Bhagavatam, many persons reading, learning, explaining, preaching and distributing. But he has no realization. The Bhakta Bhagavat is practicing and teaching and everybody is giving this relationship. So this Bhakta Bhagavat, one is Bhakti Rasapatra and one is this Bhakti Shastra. One Shastra and one Patra. Two Bhagavad Gita, Pula, Jagaduddhya. So this Bhakta Bhagavat most important. Sukadeva Goswami is saying, how understand who is Bhakta Bhagavat? Who is Sadhu? Then he is saying, Nibrita Tasir Bhogyamana, Bhava Usada Sotra Manovirama, Gautam Sukha Gunanvadar, Umana Virajit Dina Pasuna. Everybody not Bhagavat, Bhakta Bhagavat. They not Nibrita Krishna, not Akinchar, Nishkinchar, Vaitama Akinchar, Gocharam, no Nishkinchar Nam, no Brahmati Jabat, Vina Mahatma Abhishekam. Sukadeva Goswami is saying, Nibrita Krishna. No desire, no attachment with his body and all material things. He is above everything. He is present is all time God to respect near. He is speaking, then Bhava Usada is helpful. All disease and removing and purifying. And also there is tasteful. Manovi Rama. Mind is not turning here and there, catching and holding. After that person, for Sukadeva Goswami is saying, Swatan Prasangan, Mama Virja Sumri. That sadhu is speaking, that one, my Shakti, my Virja. That Harikatha. All our Harikatha has not Mama Virja. God Shakti no get present. Then, Swatan Prasangan, Mama Virja Sumrido, Bhavanti Vikkarma Rasayana Katha. That Harikatha, rich, heart, air, mind, everybody is for tasteful. And everybody accepting. And everybody practicing. And this speaker, Vakar speaker, only doing announcement and assembly. And big holding, big things taking and speaking. But no Nibrita Krishna. No Nishkincha, no Kincha. He has big family, big balance, other things. We have lot of, but God and God family is no relation. Sukadeva Goswami has relation with anybody. His father is crying and behind bed running. Oh my son, please come. But his sound is come. Who is son? Why are you running and coming? Please give me answer. He is our son. There is one lake, many Apsara, they bear him. And then Sukadeva Goswami passed. After Vasudev came, looking Vasudev, all are good, dressing, offering dishes, offering pranam. Then Vasudev asking, what happened? My son is young and naked. He is running and going this way. That time you are not shy, you are not dressing, not wearing this cloth, not respecting. And I am old, my whole beard is white, hair is white, and I'm old, and but you are looking me, and you are quickly shy, changing cloth and hurry, then they are giving answer. You have attachment to this body. You know, we ladies and gents, you like son and other, but Sukadeva Goswami Virakta. Ma Bhagavad. He has no attachment in the body. Naked he have what it is. And you are asking son, but he is not thinking about father and mother. He is Nibrita Krishna. Anything with the attachment, they are stealing my life and time. I will be contaminated. How will we free from everything? Otherwise, I am thinking he is near and dear to my disciple. He is really disciple. He is giving me a lot of permission. And he is serving me. He is sweet. Sukadeva Goswami never thinking for food stuff, never thinking for water, no need for room, nothing. But Parikshit Maharaj come back to Ganga. Then Sukadeva Goswami is sitting and speaking about Bhagavatam. He is one Bhagavat, he is speaking other Bhagavat. Therefore, it is one Bhakti Rasa Shastra, one Bhakti Rasa Patra. Both Bhagavat helpful for us. But how understanding? Many Rishis came, but Sukadeva Goswami came and is making everybody in Nibrita Krishna. All detached, everybody free. Mostly Parikshit Maharaj free from everything. Where is mother? Where is son? Where is wife? Where is kingdom? Who are he? But he is meeting with Krishna. Krishna take lap, Krishna stroking and everything. Playing. But he is going sadhus near, he is going sadhus. But that sadhu is came and after his teaching, helping, then he will be Krishna. This is the wrong thing. Snake is biting, he has no sense. He don't know about body. He is gone by soul body which is already full of Vrindavan. So who is making the detached? Sukadeva Goswami. He is detached. Nibrita Krishna. They are speaking without Nibrita Krishna, not helpful for everybody, anybody. I have attachment. My room, my body, my money, and my name and fame. Many things I have. Therefore telling I am. Who are you? Srimad Bhagavad Gita is saying Aham Balavan, Aham Bhogi, Aham. I am. Who are you? I. Who are you? Therefore, Nibrita Krishna will be out, not possible anybody helpful for us. There is helpful, there is all time protecting. Therefore, who made him detached? Who preaching or sadhu? Who giving senses for this energy and everything? Only Ekadasi. To Krishna glorified. This Ekadasi is glorious. Then all Brajdevis, all Brajvasi, everybody follow Ekadasi. Therefore, Kamada Ekadasi day, all time, and try to explain what is doing Sir Kamada Ekadasi. How is all desire, all remove, clean, and then what is giving? Desire for Krishna Seva. So this Ekadasi is glory, this Krishna glorified and teaching. And Ekadasi be not shy. She is coming. She is 15 days, take care of us. After next 15 days for another power which is coming. All Ekadasi name difference, all special help difference. Every year continue Krishna Vishnu Sutti helping us. All are very lucky, these Brajmandas, following this Krishna. Then he is Kesava. Kesava, protection for our, he is going all species. Kesava, Dvita, Meena, Savina. Then Masa, this body, which is going through water. All elements. How they following Bhakti? They don't know anything, but he is giving going worship. He is helping. And he is going where? In Patal Loka. Why? All demons are stealing, all Vedanta, Upanishad, Shastra, all knowledge, everything, he is stealing. And then he is bringing back and giving Brahma. Brahma is giving and telling, look, these books I am giving, but sometime after somebody is stealing and taking, but you have poor head. You everything saving in brain. there is no teaching everywhere. So all are only not writing in notebooks. Notice this, what is this? I don't know. This laptop, what? This camera, yeah, mobile. Inside is nothing. There is many bad things and rubbish. Not saving there, saving here. This is Srota Parampara. Our Rishi Maharshis, they are near that time no pen and pencil and not this mobile and laptop. But they are, everything is talking. There, then this seed is planting and growing within flower and fruits. There is reserving, never growing, never increasing, no flower and fruits coming. No life there. You telling this is life, but this is not life. Life you have. This is Kshetra Bandhan. Planting for these seeds. This is planting. Then sometime after, तो writing there for Brahmanda Brahmiti Guna, Bhagyavan Ji, Guru Krishna Prasad Devar, Bhaktilata Bees, Maliya, Sevis, Kore Aropan, Saman Kirtanjali, Kore Sinchan, তবে মূল লতা বাড়ি যায়, গোলক বৃন্দাবন, শেষ জল পাইয়া উপশাখা বাড়ি যায়, স্তব্ধ হইয়া মূল শাখা বাড়িতে না পায়, অতএব উপশাখার করিয়েছে দন, তবে মূল লতা বাড়ি যায়, গোলক বৃন্দাবন যায়, প্রেম ফল পাখি পড়ে মালি আস্বাদয়. So this is planting for this body. But you planting where? Pen and pencil and copy. Now no need copy. Now is mobile. Laptop. Here and there you are saying, but there is really planting. Helpful his institution, Vibhuta Krishna. His insight is very bad, naked dance, naked embrace and kiss and then and that. Then mixing khichdi, hospos, then will be rubbish. And a drain inside is going is water, Ganga water, Jamuna water, nobody there is bad thing is not drinking, not cooking also. Therefore, this thing is not helpful. You writing books, reserving, much better. You memorizing, Prabhupada Sarkar in class, Prabhupada Sarkar, two disciples, lady disciples. One called Sarvasini, one called Tiruttama. They are at a time writing article, make ready, next day printing. Also they are all saving in brain and heart. They are going and preaching. I have, my heart has many other things for room, but I am forget Harikatha. No room. Then how can I growing? With interest, with fruit and flowers. Then how God am tasting them? Therefore, Harikatha, hearing serious and keeping on meaning. No giving here and there, not misusing. So Krishna, anything telling, this is Krishna's class. Krishna then, Kesavadrita, Meenasvarira, Kesavadrita, Urmasvarira, Kesavadrita, Varaharupa, Kesavadrita, Ramasvarira. Kesavadrita Haldar Rupa, Kesavadrita Nasikar, all Surupitis, all time helping. Sometimes Rudra, Vayana, Vivasa, Kurun, Mitra, many Rasovitis is watering. This is called Sabankrita, watering. But sometimes Upasaka, branches coming this side. I am running there and there. Then it is cutting. It is on. And then straight going. Ananyata. Or I came in Mathura, Purtaniya. Many acharyas are coming, Harikatha speaking. Sometimes here and there, nice program. Then many all speakers are coming, lecture giving. People are asking, hey, many people Harikatha nice. And Sevaka said no. Why not? They are contaminated already. Vishwa Vipasa property to last say, they have Adhikara, Jugal of Glass. Vishwa property to. What that go for desire and enjoy for desire increase. What is speaking about this Harikatha? Non-Vipata Krishna, then what is speaking? But why hearing? Why making contaminated on our heart? Then you will say yes. Truth. Ananya Srinjani. thinking about this. Shastra verse says, Sukadeva Goswami helpful for everybody. But how will you show? But Sukadeva Goswami puts the following automatically. You have to remember 40%. Everything is speaking and writing. Everything as it is. So Krishna now is Brajadham, 10 years, 6 months, childhood something, after he is continue teaching, continue helping. This help is our Goswamis are resulting by Mahaprabhu this year. After some time, this disappears in problem. Therefore our Goswamis are kindly. First writing is tal leaves inside, palm leaves. After paper, after now, actually part practicing, every day remembering, every day praying Krishna, how is following and teaching everyone. Not only one Seva Kunja. This is called Brajamandal, many Seva Kunja, many service centers, many Kunja. This Brajamandal now is all are tomorrow going next places and understanding. Krishna mostly is with the Shakas, sometimes Moodban, sometimes Talban, sometimes Moodban, sometimes Bolaban, sometimes but Govardhan middle. Brajanamati Lagatte, Kalpavedi Sutavini. Govardhan his heart and soul is all time coming, and anything is if we program other things, Krishna here is. Why it is clearing? Vasusava, Vrindaranam, Udarvani, Tatrapi Govardhan. Premamrita Palavana. The Prem would be Amrita. Blood, where? In Govardhan, Radha Vrindaranam, Udarvani. Vasusava. Here is Ras, Lila, also distributing, but not flood. Limited. But Govardhan is flood. And also Radhakunda, Sankunda. Now our entire then is and try to explain how sweet is Radhakunda. How many Seva Kunda? Not one Kunda. Center, Sokha center, Krishna Kunda side, Sankunda, Sokhi center, Manjari center. Oh, how is this places? This Aprakito, everything everybody memorizing. Other thinking of direct going, then looking at buffalo, looking at this looking at this nonsense people, then thinking this is called Radha Kunda. Babaji Mataji, this and that. The idea coming what? But visuality how coming? Visual or darshan? Kuri Maya Lunaya Jagan, Akitaki Subishar, Chimani Ho. Chokudan Bilal Jay, Jamdajan Prabhu Sri. Now no eyes, now doing mundane things, reflecting our Niya, when getting visualized. Only Mahabhagat, a Gurvarga, God person was completing. Therefore, Northam Thakur praying in Loknath Darvisham is Niya. He is giving these eyes. That Guru is Guru. He is above of Maya and cutting this all boundary and everything, giving entrance and giving this spiritual life, spirituality, looking for. Then going Radhakunda, Govardhan, then looking on understanding, praying and crying. And also praying when I'm getting admission. When this Gopijar Mandir is kindly teaching me. That's the Swami, Rajamdas Kovin said is praying daily. When that time coming. They are all are mercifully helping me, teaching me, and kindly accepting me, take care of me. Otherwise I don't know. Nobody is my helper. And every day, every moment is praying. This is our sadhana. Otherwise, running, sleeping and eating and time is going, life is going. No one is serious. One moment is serious is enough. There is Krishna Prata, Kunti Prata. Today here, one next very good, one
जय, गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जो की जय, जय परमराज गुरु पार्वती विष्णु पार सतगुरु शिष्य भक्ति वेदांत नारायण साईं महाराज श्री गुरुदेव की जय, विष्णु पार सतगुरु शिष्य भक्ति वेदांत भानु साईं महाराज की जय, विष्णु पार शिष्य भक्ति प्रज्ञान किशोर साईं महाराज की जय, जय जगत गुरु श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर भगवान की जय, महाभगवत गौर सुंदर जी महाराज की जय, सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय, वैष्णव सर्वभौम जगन्नाथ जी महाराज की जय, समस्त रूप गौरी गुरुवारी की जय, विष्णु भक्ति वेदांत साईं महाराज की जय, विष्णु भक्ति कुमार संत गोसाई महाराज की जय, श्री अविर्भाव जी महोत्सव की जय, विष्णु भक्ति वेदांत विक्रम गोसाई महाराज की जय, जय श्री रूपनाथ मत रघुनाथ शिव गोपाल बदनाथ रघुनाथ सदगोस्वामी विभो की जय, प्रेम से गो चैतन्य भ्रम नित्यानंद शेर वेद विराज शिवासरि गौर भक्त बिंद की जय, गौर मंडल ब्रजमंडल चित्रमंडल धाम की जय, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुबंध सुदर्शन जो की जय, सर्वा विष्णु राधा गिरिराज गोवर्धन जो की जय, राधा श्याम यमुना गंगा तुलसी भक्ति देवी की जय, सर्व विनाश सिंह हरे की जय, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय, सर्वधाम संप्रदाय चले बिंद की जय, राधे भक्ति मंडल धाम की जय, अनन्य गौरी अनन्य संन्यास पालगण की जय, त्रिगुण मंगल हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय, संकीर्तनकारी भक्ति मंदिर की जय, शिकेशव रथ की जय, शिकेशव रथ पालक भक्ति मंदिर की जय, अनंत वैष्णव मंदिर की जय, सामगत भक्ति मंदिर की जय, जय निताय गौर